Hello everyone, my name is Cherry Mark. Welcome to my channel once again. Thanks for joining me tonight from wherever you're watching from, and thanks again for being a loyal subscriber to this channel. I want to greet you all once again from all over the world or from wherever you are seeing me. It is another lesson and I'm glad to join you today or tonight. And today I have something different prepared for you. I hope you're going to keep tuned, and it's my hope that you're going to enjoy this lesson. Now, today we are going to learn about 10 fruits and how we call those fruits in Kikuyu language. Remember, this is the channel where we learn Kikuyu. This is where we get to know how to communicate basics in Kikuyu and how to even express ourselves in Kikuyu language. Now, we're going to go ahead and start right away from the word banana. Banana or bananas. Bananas are called marigo, marigo, marigo. Marigo are bananas. The plural form of bananas. Now, if you want to refer to that in the singular form, it's called irigo, irigo, irigo. Now, the second word we're going to learn is pineapple, pineapple. Pineapples or pineapple are called mananadi, mananadi. Remember, mananadi is the plural form of pineapples. Inanadi is the singular form of pineapple. Inanadi, singular. Mananadi, plural. Now, the second word we're going to learn is popo. Popo or popos are called mafafai, mafafai, mafafai. Mafafai are popos. That's the plural form of popos. Now, ifafai is one. The singular form of popos is ifafai, 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 mafafai, ifafai, mafafai. Now, the next word we're going to learn is avocado. Avocado is called iguna, iguna, iguna. Or you can even hear people say ikodo, ikodo. Or you can hear other people say avocado, 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 avocado. Avocado is the plural form. Avocado is the singular form. The plural form is avocado also. Now, let's say you want to call the plural form with the other word. You can say maguna, maguna, maguna. Or you can say makodo, makodo, makodo. Now, avocado has a variety of names. I believe that's not all how people call avocados. There are still other names that are not familiar to me. So if you know of any other name, feel free to drop down the comments down there and let me learn from you as well. Now, the next one we're going to learn is oranges. Oranges are called mashugwa, mashugwa, mashugwa. Or you can even call that in singular form and say ishugwa. Ishugwa. Ishugwa is the singular form. Mashugwa, the plural form of oranges. Now, the next one we are going to learn is tangerine. Tangerine or tangerines are called dadara. 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 Now, the next one is lemon or lemons. Lemons are called dimo. 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 Now, the next one we learn is watermelon. Watermelon or in general, melons are called meroni. 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 Remember, I'm not familiar to another name of a typical Kikuyu name of melons apart from meroni. If you know of it, please feel free to drop your comments down there and let me as well learn from you. Like I said, I stand also to be corrected. I'm not a professional linguistic teacher, and that's why I'm here also to learn from you. So if you know about any other word or a typical Kikuyu name for watermelons, please feel free to enlighten me. Now, the other one we're going to learn is guavas. Guavas. Guavas are called bera. 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 Bera or bera. Bera. Now, the other one we're going to learn is plums. Plums are called pramvi. 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 Now, that brings us to the end of this video. Thanks again for being with me tonight, and thank you so much for having learned from me. I hope you had a chance to learn something from me, and as usual, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share it to your friends, your families. Give it a thumbs up or a like if you enjoyed, and don't forget always to check on your notification box or on your notification messages just to get informed whenever I upload a new video. With those few words, I want to end this lesson right there, with the hope that we're going to hear from us soon. Thank you so much. Good night and goodbye.